Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another haul. It's only a little haul. I'm just going to unpack it and then we can have a look what's inside. So as you can see, there's lots of decals and it's from Rachel Hanks. I will link the website down below. And this is the main reason I actually purchased them, for these giraffes decals. So I'm really excited. So let's have a quick look at what else we've got. So this one's the giraffe one. And you've got some funky faces. You've got some skeleton type things. And then you've got the butterflies. You have to buy them separate. Do you think it'd been better if you just had like one roll that side and then one roll the other side, rather than having to actually buy two sets so that you can marry it up? But hey ho, at least I know I've got plenty to go at now. And these are the little bird cages. I thought it was kind of cute. And then we've got some zombie ones. And more like skeletons and cats and like Halloweeny type but cutie ones. Just because it's pink, I guess it's more cutie. This, I think, was part of a set. There was 4 in this set, yeah. So these are the Alice set. So it's Alice in Wonderland. So here you've got like the teapots, the flowers, the clocks, the butterflies. You've got the Cheshire Cat, the Queen, Alice herself, the twin brothers, and all different characters there. And then it's the same characters again, but just in bigger. And then this same character, but even bigger again. And these ones, these was in the sale at £2 each. So I thought I'll get them and give them a try. So even though Halloween is way off, but hey ho. So we've got the Halloween pumpkins and Halloween pumpkins. So if you like these, I will link them down below. And basically I'll let you know how I get on with them, because these nails I'm doing right now will be using the giraffe nails, so hopefully they won't be too far behind. So I'd like to say thanks for watching, and please comment, subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Bye. I've used these giraffes decals on my nails, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the negative points for me, and then I'd like to finish on a high with the positive points. So my main bugbear negative point is that you literally only get one of each size on these bigger nails. So as you can see here, I've had to use a smaller giraffe here and a larger giraffe there. I would have liked it if you'd have got 2, because most people would have the nails the same on each hand. So for me to have it the exact same, I would actually have to buy 2 sets of this, which is just annoying. Obviously on the smaller sets you have actually got that, but I would have rather have had 2 sets of this size if you couldn't get 2 sets of that size, if that makes sense. And the other negative is you really do need to cut very closely around. I didn't quite cut it closely enough on this particular one, and I'm not sure if the camera pick up, but I can still see some of the decal there. Also, you do have to, it does actually say this, but I didn't do it, it does meant to go on white a white gel polish, whereas I wanted acrylic, so, and I didn't want white, I wanted the pale grey. I thought it wouldn't make too much of a difference, but it does, because like the colours of the flowers don't pop, hence that's why I was putting these acrylic flowers on these nails to match the headband and to tie it all in. But the headband kind of gets lost. It's a bit better on this one, but did put a slightly paler colour acrylic on there, so that'd be down for me. That it actually, like, it's my fault because I didn't put it on white like it does actually say in the instructions. But again, like, it'd be nice to be able to put it on whatever colour you wanted, so I guess that is a negative, but maybe on some of us it would, but these are obviously muted colours, so obviously it would pop more on white. So that's the negatives out of the way. The positives is these are so nice to work with. They come off, like most decals I've worked with in the past have only been cheap decals, and you take them off, you slide them off the paper and it just crinkles up, and I didn't get any of this at all. I laid it down and I smoothed it out and it moved, and it was easy to manipulate to where I wanted it to be. So yeah, I was definitely impressed with that. They came pretty quick. I ordered on the Sunday and I got them on the Friday, so it's not massively quick, but it is still quick, especially given that we're actually still in the COVID pandemic as well. The lady who does this, I've messaged her back and to on Facebook, and she is absolutely lovely. The designs are really nice and they're so unusual, and I would definitely buy some again. But like I say, the only downfall is I would rather have them the same size, but like I say, I wanted to finish on a positive. So yeah, I will link them down below if anyone's interested. There's lots more designs. Obviously I've only got a few of what she sells. I wanted to trial them out, and I was very impressed on how easy they came on and how easy it was to move them. The actual decal itself was very thick, so not too thick obviously, but it was thick enough that it didn't just like curl up on itself. So I'm just kind of repeating myself now, but yeah, definitely worth a buy. But just be aware, if you do want them on the same hand, if you want the bigger ones, you will have to purchase the same decal twice over. So yeah, so thanks for watching this haul stroke product review, and I shall see you soon. Bye.